Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is problem number 6 from exercise 14.1. Problem is like this. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Find the mean daily expenditure on food by a suitable method. So you are given with the data, daily expenditure and the number of households, right? So if you observe, the numbers are in hundreds. So definitely it is not a direct method. So either you can choose shortcut method or step deviation method. So let us start solving. As they have given the class interval, take the mean of the class, the average of the class, 100 plus 150 divided by 2. That is upper and lower limits. You just add and then divided by 2. So this will be 125. Then 150 and 200, 175. Next is 225. Next you have 250 and 300. So it will be 275. Next you have 325, right? So this gives me my first column. So the frequency you just copy down as it is 4, 5, 12, 2 and 2. Now you have to choose the value of assumed mean A, that is nothing but the average. So you take the middle one of the XI data entries. So A is equal to 225 here I am taking. So the third column is deviation DI is equal to XI minus A. So the corresponding deviations for all the 5 data entries, we'll find it out now. 125 minus 225. So that will be minus 100. 175 minus 225 minus 50. 225 minus 225 0. 275 minus 225 50. 325 minus 225, that is 100, right? Now if you observe, if you are going with the shortcut method, you have to multiply DI and FI, right? Still these numbers 150, these are also big numbers. So to make the calculation more simpler, I'll go with the step deviation method, taking the step size as the common number from these deviations column. So 50, 100. So take H as 50. So that UI, my fourth column, will be Xi minus A divided by 50, right? So this will be minus 2, minus 100 divided by 50, right? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, right? So instead of multiplying 4 and minus 100, now I can multiply FIUI, right? So the calculation is more simpler now. Write it in the fifth column, FIUI, right? So this will be minus 8. Now 5 into minus 1, minus 5, 0. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. Now you have to find out sigma Fi, and that is nothing but here n, right? Number of entries, and also sigma Fi Ui. So sigma Fi, if I add up all these entries in the second column, that will be 25. And here if you add sigma Fi Ui, that is minus 7. Let us use mean formula to calculate the mean here using shortcut method. That is equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui divided by n into H, right? So what is the assumed mean? 225. Here just substitution only, plus minus 7 divided by 25 into 50. So do the calculation. This is 2 times. So 225 minus 14 here. So that gives you 211. So the mean daily expenditure on food by a suitable method they're asking. So the method that we have chosen here is the shortcut method. So the mean daily expenditure on food is nothing but 211. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.